everybody, it's Jenny. I'm here with Judy and Elliot from the Jenny Decker team, and we're excited about showing you 4543 Lakewood Lane.
Hey guys, it's Elliot Ln from the Jenny Decker team at Tommy Morgan Realtors. Today we're going to be taking a look at 4543 Lakewood Lane here in Tupelo. Come on in. So this house sits on a 2-acre lot at Tupelo Country Club overlooking a 10 tee box. A few basics. It's built in 1984. Underwent a full renovation in 2016. So, let's feel it. You'll notice one of the first things you see when you come in are these really pretty 2-story ceilings in the entryway. That's a common feature throughout this house. You'll also see those in the living room and the master bedroom. Beautiful built-ins. This served as sort of sitting area for the folks that lived here originally, but it could just be a formal entry if you wanted it to be. So, originally, there's a wall here, bookcases, and actually a wet bar on that end, and they took this wall out to really open the space up. So, you've got your updated kitchen, quartz countertops, really nice KitchenAid appliances, gas range, glass tile backsplash. These are Pierce cabinets, which is a really great cabinet company here at Tupelo Farm Sink. They added these beams as well as some built-ins. If y'all want to follow me, go down to the sunroom keeping room. It'd be a great family room, a more casual den. You could have a breakfast table here, maybe a sofa with a TV like they had there. Beautiful brick floors. This is actually a coal burning fireplace, so that's kind of a neat feature here. And this takes us back up to the foyer. So your family room's got really beautiful cathedral ceilings. The beams were added, and those are original stained glass edge glass windows. All the lighting here is from a local company, Magnolia Lighting. They put that in 2016 when they did the renovation. So, off the kitchen, got a nice sized walk-in pantry. And this is where your master suite begins. Your master suite consists of master bedroom, bath, and also study. So a really oversized master bedroom, beautiful vaulted ceilings, access to the back deck, as well as a fireplace in your master. Great built-ins. These are also done by Pierce cabinets. And then off of your master bedroom, go into the updated master bath, which is a spectacular master bath. Dual vanities, quartz countertops, great soaking tub, more etched glass there, and an oversized shower, as well as a walk-in master closet. Again, custom lighting. Off the master bedroom, you've got one of my favorite rooms in the house, which is the study. With another coal burning fireplace, great brick floors, lots of natural light. And then my favorite feature, one of these ladders. Also great built-in for really the ladder. So if you continue down this hall, you'll see a guest half bathroom here with another original stained glass window, new vanity. And then next you'll come on down and you've got the laundry room, which that door is great. It's an antique door. You'll see a few of those throughout the house. Laundry room is a nice size with a sink. So upstairs are the rest of your guest bedrooms. Your master is the main level bedroom. And then we'll come on up and look at the rest. And if you haven't noticed, this house has got beautiful hardwoods throughout. This is such a neat area for me, where you look over down into your entryway. It really shows how open and beautiful this house is. I think these built-ins are just fantastic. And then you've got your bedrooms back here. So you've got 3 on this level. This is your first guest bedroom. Going down the hall here, you'll see a guest bath on your left, which also connects to a bedroom we'll get to in a minute. So they actually added a bedroom during the renovation, and that bedroom is the one to the right here. They added the bedroom and bath. So this is a new bath. Great moldings carried out throughout the house, including upstairs. Notice the doors, while the house has been updated, the doors are still the antique, keeping with the age of the house, which is really nice. And then this room, with all the natural light, is the last guest bedroom that also connects to the bathroom that we toured earlier. So as I said earlier, this home sits on a 2-acre lot, and it's got a really great backyard. So follow me around back. The great thing about this house is just how peaceful it is back here. It feels like you're out of the city, but you're really right in the middle of Tupelo. So you've got this really great screened-in porch here, which in the South is always a big hit. We all love a screened-in porch. And if you look right through here, you can see the golf course, the tee boxes through those trees. We've got another outdoor area for entertaining here. You could really do something, a fire pit, kind of outdoor living furniture on this circular brick patio. So that's your access to your master bedroom. And then you've got your sunroom right down from that. The house actually has 2 fountains, one out front by the front door. Out there. And there's a really great room back here around the corner. It's almost like a hidden secret room. You've got somebody that likes to fix things, or kids that need a separate area outside of the house. This is a really neat room. Built-ins. And if you walk through there, you'll notice a workbench and a loft. So this is a really neat hidden space. It'd be great for any kind of hobby.
Thank you for joining us today for a tour of this lovely home. Please call the Jenny Decker team for personal showing. Thank you.